how to turn off sync contacts on Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to turn off this option. Just watch the video until the end, make sure that you subscribe and like the video, and let's start. The first step is to open Snap. After this, when my Snap is opening, you will just go here to your profile icon, then you click. After this, go to settings here, then click, and then go to, you will have list. You will just go down and go to contact syncing and open it. Then you will have here sync contacts. You will just turn off this option by clicking here on this blue icon like this, and then you will click confirm, and that's it. So see you next video.